Now, we're gonna start by looking through every single one of the security tapes.
Don't contact security.
No shit. None of the departments will be contacted. We handle this matter ourselves. I will do it in my own time. I will find the intruder, and then I will eliminate them.
Firing won't do the trick.
I know.
We don't know the intention with which they stole the dossier.
It might be for something completely unrelated. Okay? Which is why it doesn't matter. Alright? What matters is that there was a theft right under my nose. And I take that personally.
We still don't know the intention with which they...
Ethan, for once in your life, just shut the fuck up. Okay? Now, I will deal with this personally, either internally or outside. And I'm not talking about the cops. I'm talking off the records, off the books, outside of any social boundaries you and your posh Rhode Island parents have decided to cut out for yourselves. Understood? I will find this intruder. I will terminate them, and I will do so permanently.